From the earliest timber lifting devices to modern autonomous cranes, construction machinery traces human ingenuity across centuries. In Britain, steam shovels revolutionized railways, while Japan's post-war urbanization showcased compact hydraulic systems around complex urban grids worldwide. The United States deployed giant excavators to carve cities, while Brazil tested offshore rigs shaping coastal infrastructure. Anecdotes include a 19th-century crane rescue saving a bridge approach and a 1960s highway linking rural regions. Hydraulics, digital controls, and AI planning milestones reshaped workflows and cultural identities on every construction site for workers and communities alike.